This is NOAA Weather Radio, the voice of your 24-hour voice of the National Weather Service. Proceeding signal with a test of a public warning and alarm for transmitters in the Florida listening area, originating from Ruskin, Florida. This is also a test of the same system, our Pacific Area Message Encoder. The same system will alert only the county or counties affected by a particular warning. These tests are conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon, and again between 6 p.m. and 8 p.m., unless severe weather threatens. This concludes the weekly test. We now return to regular programming. Tide forecast. At St. Petersburg, high of 82 at Brookville, 80 at Winter Haven.
There it goes.
This is NOAA Weather Radio, the 24-hour voice of your National Weather Service. The preceding signal was a test of the public warning and alarm for transmitters in the Florida listening area, originating from Ruskin, Florida. This was also a test of the same system or specific area message encoder. The same system will alert only the county or counties affected by a particular warning. These tests are conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon, and again between 6 p.m. and 8 p.m. unless severe weather threatens. This concludes the weekly test. We now return to regular programming.
Now for the official National Weather Service forecast, issued 2 p.m.
Well,
Wednesday,
another
April
good weekly
26,
test.
22 for the K, H, B, 32 listening area.
But
for the
this
following
time,
counties
I
in Florida,
timed it
Hillsborough,
properly.
Pasco, Pinellas, and Polk, including
that's
the
neat.
cities of Newport Richey, Zephyr Hills, Clearwater, St. Petersburg, Brandon, and Tampa. Tonight, mostly clear. Lows in the lower 60s.
Neat.
East winds 10 to 15 miles an hour with gusts to around.
Well, as usual, every single radio activated. 2003-261. Even you went off, which is kind of surprising. But yeah, I got an 08510 today. Whoop.